All right, so before you can do any video or anything, we've got everything connected. We got both of them on. We're blinking. So what we've got to do to start this thing is we got to press this forward and hold it. And then we're going to pull it back. Okay, then we're going to take both of these and we're going to push them to the corners. All right, now we've got solid and solid. Once you got a solid light there and a layer, you're ready to go. Now to get the propellers spinning, that's the first thing. You got to push this forward and the propeller should start spinning. All right, now we've got the propeller spinning, right? So now to launch this thing, we would press here, but let's go ahead and turn on the video so we can video record. All right, there we go. We're recording. Now if I press this button, it's going to launch. All right, so let's go ahead and launch this bad boy. You guys ready? Here we go. Up she goes. All right, so this is the video in the right-hand corner shot from the drone. The ATTOP image app captures this and stores it on your iPhone from the Wi-Fi connection. All right, so I'm going to go forward. I'm going to come backwards. Go right, go left, forward, back. It moves pretty fast, so you gotta try to get it. There we go. I'm gonna try to get it a little bit higher. There we go. I'm trying to get close to the camera. Now I gotta get down lower. All right, so we're doing pretty good. Go this way. All right, let's see if we can get it to spin in place. Whoops. It starts to move too fast. Let's do a spin. Let's stop it. Let's go forward. So we're getting a little bit of craziness there. Oh, look at, we're starting to lose our battery. All right, let's go ahead and come down. All right, that's it. We did pretty good on that one.